guys, so here we are rewiring this pack again. I'm trying out the new gauge of wire. I think there's actually more of the bad wiring on the bike on the other pack that goes down the frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to replace the wire on this pack and run some tests on it and then go from there. Well, I've had the first issue with my e-camera. It wouldn't stop recording. And it wasn't showing it was recording, which was kind of weird. I'm going to have to upgrade the firmware on it. And how this is going to work, because I don't have much flux, and this solder ain't the best. It takes the solder pretty good, considering it's not the best. Heats up nice. I've already marked the battery where the wiring is going to go, obviously, because I don't have to pull out my voltmeter every time. Now these tabs aren't the best, so I might even have to replace the tabs as well down the road. Should be wiring it right directly to the battery. But we'll leave it for now. Make sure our leads are in there good. Don't have any tape or any more duct tape, so I'm just going to put some electrical tape over it for now, just so we can run our tests. There we go. Good enough. Let me show you what I gotta do. So I obviously gotta put it in reverse. So like it goes from positive to positive, and then it goes from negative out. So that's what I'm trying to figure out here. And when I use the battery, usually I put it in the back of this one in the pack, so it only has to breach to about there. Alright. So we're looking at about this width here. There we go. Rest. Still a little bit ticked off that it's advertised as 10 feet, but it's 5 feet of the red, 5 feet of the black, which a bit of a rip-off. But for $11 you get quite a bit of wire. So I'm not complaining too much. Okay, let's quickly tint these ends, and then we have to figure out which way is what on the battery. Because if I get it the wrong way, it'll still be, what, 70 volts, but the battery will be reversed, and that won't be good. Can you guys see? Can't really tell, I don't have a monitor. Put you right there. does take this. It does wick the wire pretty good, the solder pretty good. No complaints there. There we go. Now quickly find out which was what before we solder up the connector. What you can do is take you over here. Hopefully you can see. I'm just going to quickly stick my meter on it. And now I got a jumper on it. Actually, what we'll do is that's positive. Stick that on positive. Negative. This would be the easy way to figure out which is going where. Plug that in. So I got this one set up here as a jumper too, if I'm not using the booster. And we'll just go like this. It should show up on the meter if you can see that. $69. This is no good. $41. Why would it be at 69? Oh yeah, because it's not the other pack isn't connected. Duh. Okay, so the 69 is what we want. So this jump it is marked properly. You can see there's a mark there. So we're good. Let's just get this over with so we can get some riding in. I hate working on the bike. I like working on the bike in the winter when I can't ride it. I'd rather be riding than fixing it. I got another bike that I want to build with a DC motor on the back that I'm looking to redo. That will be more of a project bike. This one here is my get around bike, so I don't want to monkey around with it too much. Yeah, we're good. These connectors have held up pretty good. No problems with those at all. And there you go. Yeah, they not the best tape job on the pack, but like I said, why would I wrap this in battery wrap when I'm just going to be pulling it apart again and adding cells to it? So there's no point. But that should do it. Later, guys. That's not a battery pack. This is a battery pack. 30-pound battery pack. It gets me where I want to go. It's all good. I'll just set this like that against the back and fold this over to protect it and to hold it in place. There you go. It goes on the back of the bike. Easy peasy.